Myself, Dr. G.V. Kale, Associate Professor and Head Department of Zoology, GS Science Arts College, Khamgaon. Here I am here to be the part of this most esteemed institute, as they are organizing international conference on strategies and challenges in higher education during COVID-19 lockdown period in India. As the organizers, they have arranged a lot of scope is there. They have also mentioned various subjects regarding presentation. Out of 8 to 9 sub themes, I have selected yoga as the perfect solution for COVID-19 to overcome COVID-19 pandemic. Dear participants, as we know that while tackling any situation, medication and meditation, they are important. When we talk about say medicine part of any treatment or any disease or any pandemic, medicine is a physical treatment, and when we talk about medication, the more emphasis is given on yoga, as we are the oldest culture, and yoga is quite well known in India since our civilization. Yoga is the part of our ancient generation, ancient our say, when we talk about COVID-19, under this presentation, we will go for what is COVID-19, how it is caused, what are its consequences. Then we will think over, is there any solution? So I may say that there is a perfect solution, and that is one and only the yoga. Under yoga, we will see its origin, how the yoga flourished our lives, how it is to be performed, what are various types of yoga, and why it is almost all accepted over all the globe, in almost all countries. 21st June is celebrated as Yoga Day. Then I will also provide you some tips and the yoga which is perfectly suited for you. It can be also mentioned in this title. When we talk about COVID-19 pandemic, it is the viral disease caused by coronavirus. No doubt, it is long lasting. It is not very new to us, but it is a certain strain of coronavirus. It is also called a novel disease one because much more light is to be focused on it. That is why there are so many features of it, and I may say that it was originated in Wuhan territory of China. Nowadays it has become pandemic, that is it has spread over all the almost all globe. Dear students and participants, there are so many worst consequences of COVID-19. It has severe impact on your social aspects, economic aspects. Then even any what we can say that it can stop a development of any country. Even nowadays, even US is very much worried about that COVID-19 pandemic. When we talk about its further consequences, there can be a scarcity of water, scarcity of medicine, scarcity of food, and every scarcity of clothes, every and every. I may say that it is most worse than any biological war. It is a type of biological war. Dear participants, dear students, when we talk about wars, nowadays this is the era of biological war, and China rightly, I will say that it is a testing of a biological weapon. Anyway, I will not go in detail. While suggesting a solution for a COVID-19 pandemic, I will suggest you one more solution, that is yoga. And yoga, it is the gift given by India to almost all the globe or universe. when you talk about yoga, yoga not only changes our point of view about life, but also transforms you as a person. As I rightly said, we are the origin of yoga. India, in the current slide, we can show here. We are shown here. Uh, the origin of yoga is from India, and throughout the India, it is spread to the nearby countries, China, Japan, then now Vietnam, Cambodia, then almost all the globe. The United Nations organization have rightly said that when we talk about usefulness of yoga, these are the words given by, or these are the says given by United Nations organization. Mindfulness meditation is a great option to overcome or to incorporate into your regular routine to reduce anxiety and stress. And if you have never tried it before now, there is a chance. Find a comfortable yet alert seated position. Keep your back straight and just click a play, and it can be achieved by yoga. That is why I have selected this topic, and we hope that the yoga may be a perfect solution to conquest COVID-19 pandemic. Again, this slide mainly focus on the usefulness of yoga. Yoga is also considered as a philosophy of life. It leads to an integrity of personal welfare. 70% of yoga practitioners, they can be a woman volunteer, and nowadays, since last 5 or 6 years, 21 June every year is celebrated as International Yoga Day, and that is why it is one of the achievement for we people from India. Again, when we talk about tackling any situation, physical fitness is important, as well as internal fitness is also important. Yoga provides you internal fitness, or it enhances your immunity. How? When we talk about immunity, it is the internal power of fighting any disease. And that is why main intention of yoga is to improve your breathing power. When we talk about Surya Namaskar, what is it? It is the sun salutation, a series of 1 to 12 poses. They can be continued, and that is why during yoga or during say Surya Namaskar, you can have a fast breathing, and you can respire for a long time. It enhances, it improves, it activates your breathing power. That is why your lungs, they become more and more perfect, and if there is the intake of more and more O2 in it, there can be more oxidation of foodstuffs. More the oxidation, more can be the energy, and more enjoyable feeling you can have. That is why there are so many plus points, there are so many benefits for yoga. When we talk about again further usefulness of yoga, it is enhanced by breathing. When we perform, or when we become more perfect, you can be treated as a yogi. You can be a master, you can be a volunteer, or you can teach your family, you can teach your society, community, and if you adapt it throughout the life, it can be more beneficial for you. These are certain diagrams. This is a meditation and yoga. You can perform just having a mattress, and you can have meditation and yoga at your home also. That is why I may say that it is the perfect solution to conquest, to overcome, or to have a victory over any disease pandemic or any stress or strain on your body. This is the Shirshasana. Generally, we talk and we walk generally in the erect position, but we never try to invert our body. This is the situation where much more emphasis or much more intention is to have more and more blood supply to our brain. That is why during session the quiet blood flow, blood circulation is reverted, and our blood vessel or say blood vessels of the brain, they can have more and more nervous and blood supply. That is why more oxygen, and that is why we feel more freshness after having yoga. Again, this is the position. If you are having any if you are having any stress or strain or any problem, just for a moment you perform the yoga and you may find a solution over the strain or stress. Dear students, dear participants, why do there is a need of to perform yoga? I may say that there are 4 reasons behind it. It may improve your memory. It can be a emotional or stability or concentration. It enhance your energy power. When you have the energy, just as a biological engine, every human being or every organism, it needs energy. That is why to perform any physical work, energy is required, and that is why it can be achieved by performing yoga. It triggers, it enhances, it motivates your the chances of getting more and more working power. Simultaneously, after enhancing your memory and energy power, it minimizes the stress, minimizes the insomnia, almost all types of stress you are having. It can be a social, it can be a financial, it can be a family stress, or it can be a any type of stress. It can be reduced by performing yoga. So after going through these different slides, I may say that there are different types of yoga. Hatha is there, Raja is there, Jana is there, Mantra is there, Bhakti is there, Tantra is there, Karma is there, and Kundalini is also there. So you can perform what yoga, what type get fit to you, so you can perform that type of yoga. So as rightly said that I have already told you that main concentration of yoga is to improve your breathing power, and that is enhanced by the lungs. COVID-19 mainly have its effect, its impact on your lungs. Now, what does yoga teach you? Yoga teach in you how to make your lung more and more powerful. By performing yoga, your lungs, they become, the capacity of the lungs, it becomes more and more natural. Generally, a human being do not use not more than 60% of the lungs. By performing yoga, you can the more use of the lung, it can be enhanced up to 90%. So think over that. If you are having, if you are taking more air, within the air there is the fresh oxygen that can be circulated throughout the body, and after the food particles they get oxidized, each and every cell may get fresh oxygen, and that every cell, that every particle, it can do better for your body. So these are sort of poses. These are the poses you can perform at your home. Say this is the cobra position. It can also be called as say bhujangasana. It can be a type of say Surya Namaskar. All these this is Uttanasana. This is Uttan Padasana. These are the certain positions of yoga which you can perform at your homes. Dear friends, after going thoroughly through these different slides, I will come toward the concluding part of my presentation. After performing, after going, after enhancing your internal power, no doubt, it improves your internal power, it improves your working capacity, it gives you more and more say more freshness. Despite of this, I would like to request you that you should be more alert. You can have control. You can control the virus by going through this different uh, practices. Stay at your home as much as possible. You can work from your home if you are student, if you are teacher, or if you are working any NGO, or if you are running any NGO, or if you are working any say industry. So you can almost maximally you can perform your work from home as you can. You can minimize the contacts of your family people, of the people of your community or neighboring people. Means where I may argue, I may appeal you that minimize the contacts of the other people. You can have a social distance. One more thing you have to mind with, that you can keep a social distance, that is as much as possible 2 meters between two people. Wash your hands regularly with general soap, because the general soap, it has the killing property over COVID-19 pandemic, or say it can sufficiently kill the viruses. And last and most important, do not leave your home if you are, or anyone in your household have any symptom. If you are becoming infected, don't leave unless and until you are asked to leave your house.